Walking is one of the easiest and most accessible forms of exercise. All you need is a comfortable pair of shoes and a safe place to walk. Start with 10 to 15 minutes of brisk walking and gradually increase your time as your fitness improves. Jogging is another simple exercise that can be done almost anywhere. Start with short distances and gradually increase your time and distance as your fitness improves. Jumping jacks are a great full-body exercise that can improve cardiovascular health and burn calories. Stand with your feet together and jump, spreading your arms and legs apart. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. Squats are a great exercise for building lower body strength. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and slowly lower your body by bending your knees. Keep your back straight and your weight in your heels. Return to the starting position and repeat. Lunges are another great lower body exercise that can improve strength and stability. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart and take a step forward with one leg. Bend both knees, keeping your back straight and your weight in your front heel. Return to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. Push-ups are a classic exercise that can build upper body strength. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows and push back up to the starting position. Planks are a great exercise for building core strength. Start in a push-up position and lower your body down to your forearms. Keep your body straight and hold the position for as long as you can. Side planks are a variation of the plank that target the obliques. Start in a plank position and then turn your body to the side, resting on one forearm. Keep your body straight and hold the position for as long as you can before switching sides. Glute bridges are a great exercise for strengthening the glutes and lower back. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lift your hips up towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower back down and repeat. Wall sits are a simple exercise that can improve lower body strength. Stand with your back against a wall and slide down until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Hold the position for as long as you can. Step-ups are a great exercise for building leg strength and improving balance. Find a sturdy bench or step and step up onto it with one foot. Step back down and repeat with the other foot.